front of the house. Eventually there'll be an addition on the front right side of there, on the porch. It's where the master bedroom is. I'm not doing that today or for this project. I'm getting ready to show you. But we're at an alpaca farm. Pole barn. Cool garage. There's an alpaca. Chicken coop. Yeah, it's a garage workshop. Show you guys exactly what we're doing. There's a garage, mother-in-law suite. It's kind of a big, another big building. It's like a whole nother house for sure. It's got the breezeway. So we're going to take that door, put it on the side of this house, in between them two windows. It's going to be fun. The reason they're doing that is because there's bedrooms and bathrooms on this side of the house, changing rooms, and they're putting in a pool right here. Taking all this landscaping out, putting in a pool, and they need a door to be able to go into the side of this house to the changing room and bathrooms. They have another door over there, but that goes into the kitchen, dining room, living room. So if they have guests, they can just come right through this other door, right into the pool area, bathroom, whatever. So I'll give you guys an update. Little potting shed. We're going to be doing a lot of different work here. We're going to be adding water and electric out here to our potting shed. Alright. I'll give you guys an update. I'm trying to get this done today.